This demo showcases how to upgrade your subscription plan and complete the secure payment process in Vozo EHR. You will see an upgrade button in the top menu of your homepage. Click the Upgrade Plan button to begin updating your subscription. This initiates the process to select a new plan that fits your needs. Now you will be redirected to the subscription page where you can manage your payment details securely. This page handles plan information for your account. You can either choose the yearly payment option, which includes 2 months free, or you can choose the monthly payment option. Also, by clicking Customize Plan below, you can switch your plan from basic to premium or from premium to basic. Let's choose the monthly subscription now. Click the Continue to Pay button to proceed to the payment confirmation stage. This moves you closer to finalizing your subscription upgrade. You need to type your password field to verify your identity. This security step protects your account during the upgrade process. Click the Continue button to submit your password and proceed. This confirms your identity and allows payment processing to continue. Now you will be redirected to the payment gateway, where you can complete the payment. Fill in the first 4 digits of your card number. This partial entry initiates the card information input process. Fill in the full card number to provide complete payment information. This is essential for processing your transaction. Fill in the card expiration month and year to validate your payment method. Fill in the card security code, CVV, to secure your payment. Click the Pay button to finalize your subscription upgrade payment. This completes the transaction securely and updates your account. This demo demonstrated how to upgrade your subscription plan and complete the secure payment process using Vozo Health. You can now confidently manage your billing and enjoy enhanced features by following these steps. Thank you.